Ito yung #1 chicken and beer restaurant sa Seoul, Korea, nasa Metro Manila na. Trending na Angry Bird Chicken at Korean craft beer na may 400 branches at ngayon nasa Pilipinas na. May 6 na flavor ng chicken, fresh and never frozen, kaya juicy at malinamnam yung laman. 5 klase ng Korean craft beer na galing pang Korea at dito mo lang yan matitikman. Dito yan sa Daily Beer nasa One Paseo, Arcovia City, Pasig. Ang cozy at nakaka-relax yung vibes. Meron beer flight sampler, matitikman mo na yung 5 Korean craft beer na perfectly paired with Angry Bird Chicken. Favorite ko yung K-Ginseng Lager na brewed with whole Korean ginseng. Meron ding smooth wheat beer na Solweisen, from light to strong, pwede nyo na matry. Kaya naman pala award-winning na Korean chicken beer resto ang Daily Beer, lalo na nung natikman ko yung original Angry Bird Chicken na juicy at malinamnam sa loob. Kung spicy lover ka, go for Angry Bird Red. Savory sweet garlic soy sauce naman ng Angry Bird Black, kahit may sauce, ang crunchy pa rin ng balat. Extra crispy with cornflakes naman ang crunch. Ito yung pinakabago nila, yung sriracha. Lahat ng sauce ay galing pang Korea. At honey golden na sweet and crispy na perfect for kids. Meron din silang freezing cold beer na nasa frozen mug. Must try yung coffee porter. Ang unique, yun nga lang, limited edition lang to. Nakakawala ng stress uminom nito after a long day. Bawat drink nagko-complement sa chicken. Kung hindi ka into beer, pwede ka mag-highball na mix of soju and sparkling soda. Bukod dyan, marami pang pwede ma-order. Ilalagay ko yung mga price na to sa comment section. Happy tummy everyone!